How to convert Figma to WordPress tutorial. Hi guys, welcome back to today's video. In today's video, we will be talking about this platform called Figma. Now, if you're searching for a cutting-edge design and collaborative software, click the link in the description below to sign up and get started with Figma today. Now, to be able to convert your Figma design to WordPress, you will be utilizing a plugin in Figma. So the first step is, of course, opening a design that you are trying to convert. For example, let's go with this design that I have over here. Make sure that everything is set up. You don't need to add more to your design. Make sure that the form of your design is its final form. And after that, what we're going to do is you're going to look over here on the top part, on the menu. You're going to select this option at the top, this option, resources. Here we go. And you're going to click on plugins. Under plugins, you're simply going to search Yotako. There we go. Now, the name of the plugin is not Yotako itself, but the creator is Yotako. So as you can see here, this is the one that we are going to be using, Figma to WordPress. Simply click on Run. And as you can see, loading Figma to WordPress. And there we go. Now, what you're going to do is to simply log into or create an account in Yotako. And as you can see, there is no coding required. You will be able to start for free and upgrade as you need. So simply click on this area and create your account or enter your email. After that, as you can see, you will be able to enter your Figma URL over here. Simply follow the instructions over here and you will be able to do the following. Simply click on share, copy link, close this again, paste your Figma URL over here, and click on create your website. Very straightforward. As you can see, simply follow this that you are having. There we go. Now, select the frames that you need. Add as many screen size or frames as you want. This is where you're going to be able to select it. I'm not sure why it's not letting us select it. So let's try again. Copy link. Let's open our file again. Let's click on our plugins. Click on Run. Paste our Figma URL. Create your website. And wait for a few seconds again. There you go. Now it's not showing me the frame that I want, which are these ones over here. But anyway, let's simply wait for a few seconds. Maybe it's going to load and show up our output. There we go. You're going to have to select it over here in Figma directly. You're not going to wait for it to appear over here on the WordPress Figma. You're going to have to select it. Then click on Add Frame to the page. Then select the other one, Add Frame, Normal Page. There we go. Then you have your Compose over here, Add Page again, Normal Page, something like that. And then after that, after selecting the pages that you want to add, simply click on Continue. And as you can see, use the Yotoko AI Assistant. This will automatically detect interactive and WordPress elements. Now, it will take a few seconds, but the estimated time for us is 41 seconds to complete. You could enable this. You click on Yes, I want to have it, and it will, process your design. Look for elements that are interactive. Now, right now, my design is very empty. There's not much to it, as you can see in the background. So it will not take that long for Yotako to process it. So give it a few seconds. And there we go. Now my design is complete. Simply click on next step. Here we go. Now you will be able to see your viewport. You have desktop, tablet, and mobile. Now right now this is default for desktop because it can detect the size of your frame and what type of frame it is. And the frame that I use is of course desktop mode. Then you have your WordPress elements. Then you have your web elements. So simply click on Continue. I was going to have to select the web elements, add form. The name of this form, let's go with trash or set, something like that. Set. Simply add the information that is being required to you guys. So click on Continue. Now desktop, you can select this as well. Footer, header. You have your headers over here. Add the headers that you have. But anyway, click on Continue. Continue without selecting. Then you will see the summary of what the content or the pages that will be converted to WordPress would be click on continue. And as you can see, it will now build our post. Yotako is, as you can see, parsing your design. There's a step-by-step part over here. And you're simply going to give it a few seconds or a few minutes, depending on how complicated your design is, of course. The more information or the more elements your design has, the more it's going to take a while. So since my design here is very empty, it's not that contentful, it's just a draft that I created, I'm assuming it's not going to take too long. So let's give it a few seconds and minutes. As you can see, it's now uploading the images that I have used, like the background. It's a good thing that you are able to see like the progress report on what it is doing, so that you have an idea on what part of the process it is currently at. So we're going to give it a while, and unfortunately it failed to upload the image that we have used. So actually, let's try modifying our output over here. Now I guess mine is unlucky. I'm having a hard time with mine, but hopefully for you guys, you will be able to do the process more smoothly than I am. So click on run. Let's start from the beginning. This time we're just going to select one page over here. Hopefully on your side, when you guys try it out on your own, you will be not having a hard time like what I did. Delete this, with this, and there we go. Simply click on continue. I emptied out the different parts over here. Maybe some other time. Continue without selecting. Continue, and there we go. It's much faster since it's just one page right now. So simply give it a few minutes again, and I'll get back to you guys when it finishes parsing or creating our design. As you can see with mine, it got past the uploading image part. So I'm now in the middle section. So hopefully there won't be any issues with any of my designs, and hopefully we will be able to finish the process this time. So simply wait. We're currently on the last step. Hopefully after this, we will be able to view our design in WordPress. There we go. Now click on preview, and now we will be redirected to another page, the dashboard of Yotako. Now we're going to have to log in so that we can view what we just did. So log into Yotako now. If you don't have an account, simply click on create an account over here. And as you can see, it's now building our preview. So simply give it a few seconds again, and we will be able to preview our design that we got from Figma that is ready to be converted to WordPress over here. So give it a few seconds, and hopefully we will be able to view the form or our website in WordPress form. And there we go. We now have our design over here. It got most of the design, but as you can see, this is our original design over here. It got most of the elements. Oh, there we go. It now currently contains all the elements that we have. Now, as you can see, it was able to get the image either way. Now simply click on either deploy over here, which will redirect you to the WordPress dashboard. This is our WordPress dashboard over here. So it basically created a dashboard or a WordPress for us, wherein we have the design that we have over here, which is this one over here, the front page. So that's basically it, guys. That is how you will be able to convert your Figma design to WordPress, as you can see. And that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, consider leaving a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.